away they go. Fast to begin, running by the Reds Good Humor alongside Dr. Choice. Snake in Eagle Shadow is running by Darrell and running in fifth. Yes, why not? Alongside is 7A Had Gossip running third last. Quick Action Gold Asian second last, while More Than Enough is the early trailer. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Sa Totoo Lang by Hapalan, followed by Good Humor by Darrell, is Nick. In Eagle Shadow is racing third by some 3 lengths and running in fourth by some 7 or 8 lengths. Yes, why not? And on the outside, Dr. Choice running by Darrell is More Than Enough. Inside the last 800, Sa Totoo Lang by 2, followed by Good Humor is Nick. In Eagle Shadow is racing from the outside and getting closer in for this. Yes, why not? And rounding the far turn, Sa Totoo Lang by 3, followed now by Yes, why not by Darrell. And on the outside is Good Humor, Snake in Eagle Shadow. Last 450, Sa Totoo Lang, yes, why not? Good Humor, Snake and Eagle Shadow as they race the final corner. Sa Totoo Lang is running by Darrell. Yes, why not from the outside? Good Humor, Snake and Eagle Shadow. And nearing the finish line, it's still Sa Totoo Lang. Yes, why not? Rushing up now to grab the lead. It's now yes. Why not? And Sa Totoo Lang once again by Darrell. Sa Totoo Lang, yes, why not? And finally, Sa Totoo Lang, yes, why not? Good Humor, Quick Action, More Than Enough, Dr. Choice.
Bayan Garista, bago mag 3/4 mile post, kinuha ng bandera yung nanalong Sa Totoo Lang. Pagdating ng rekta, nakita natin lakas ng bulusok na yamadong Yes Why Not. Kakala natin lalagpas pero hindi siya lumagpas bago magmeta. Nanalo pa yung numero 4 Sa Totoo Lang by about half a length. Sa ating pong winner take all, ang matitira po dyan, 66 pesos. Pick 6 ang matitira dyan, 460. Winning time po niyan, 1 minute 45.5 seconds with quarter times of 25 and a half, 24 and a half, 25 and a half, coming home at 30 para po sa distansyang 1600 meters.